we started to cool down yesterday morning. We had lows in the 50s and 60s, but it's even cooler this morning. This is how much cooler it is compared to yesterday morning. 3 degrees cooler in town, 8 degrees cooler in Hondo, 6 degrees cooler in Kerrville. It is 55 in Kerrville right now, 54 degrees in Bernie, 57 in Hondo. Meanwhile, we're sitting at 65 here, low 60s around New Braunfels and Seguin, even across the south, seeing those lows in the 60s this morning. So this is beautiful. It's been about 3 months the last time that we had these type of temperatures. Comfortable air is here. Dry air is in place with those dew points in the 40s and 50s. There is a storm system that looms offshore. This is potential tropical cyclone number 6. This will likely become Francine later today as it intensifies to a tropical storm. Already seeing some rain from it reaching northeast Mexico and deep south Texas. Cloud cover is increasing ahead of that along the coast, and high pressure is sitting just to our northwest. That's what's bringing us the dry weather. However, this system will not be making its way this far north because high pressure will help to keep it offshore. Greatest impacts expected up across Louisiana. The storm right now is moving off towards the north and northwest only at 5 miles an hour. Storm winds at the center of the storm system up to 50 miles an hour. This is what it looks like on the in-house computer model. Outer rain bands from this should start to reach the coastal band later tomorrow, then up towards the upper Texas coast by tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Possible landfall somewhere between Beaumont, Texas, and just west of New Orleans Wednesday in the afternoon or Wednesday evening. The water is pretty warm in the western Gulf of Mexico, so signs are showing that this could actually become a Category 1 hurricane off the Texas coast, I would say tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Again, minimal impacts for us. We're going to be on the western edge of that, which is the dry side of a storm system. Cool, crisp, and refreshing here this morning. Sunrise at 7:16. Temperatures in the 60s up until mid-morning. Low 70s by 10. Mid-70s at 11, and then we're near 80 degrees at noon. This afternoon, dry, sunny, warming up into the upper 80s. I think we'll get up to about 87 here in San Antonio. Same for the eastern zone. Mid-80s in the hill country, closer to 90 in the western zone. We'll start to see some cloud cover from that system tomorrow. Partly sunny in the afternoon with a 10% rain chance and a high near 90. 30% rain chance on Wednesday. Yes, this is associated with that tropical system. Otherwise, Wednesday will be partly to mostly cloudy with a high of 89. Low temperatures warming into the low 70s by Wednesday morning. Low 90s for highs Thursday and Friday. This weekend, I think it's going to get a little warmer, possibly getting closer to the mid 90s. Here's the extended forecast for the other 3 zones. So little to no rain this week. Could see more rain in the area as another weather maker comes in by early next week, a week from today. That's a look at your 4-zone weather.